Stop waiting for tomorrow. If you can't find 5 minutes to practice today, you'll never reach your goals. Here's why. Have you ever told yourself, I'll definitely start that tomorrow, but then tomorrow arrives and you just don't? You know you really should practice your English, go for a run, or finish that boring report. But the energy just isn't there. Why does the beginning feel like climbing a mountain? And how can you actually move when you feel completely lazy? Today, we're diving into self-discipline. Not the scary kind, but simple, real ways to get things done. Stay with us, because one tiny shift in this episode might actually change your entire week. Let's get into it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent Vibes English podcast. This is the place where we make improving your English feel natural, easy, and most importantly, fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and a huge hello to all our incredible friends tuning in. Whether you're commuting, doing the dishes, or maybe hiding from a workout at the gym, it is so good to have you here today.
It truly is. How are you holding up today, Ollie? You look like you've had 3 coffees already. You're glowing.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel great now, but honestly, 2 hours ago, I was a total disaster.
Oh no, really? What happened? Don't tell me the coffee machine broke.
Even worse, my alarm started screaming at 6:30 a.m. Beep, beep, beep. I looked outside, it was gray, it was raining, and my duvet, Sarah, it felt like a warm hug from a cloud. It was so soft.
Ugh, I know that trap. That is literally the most dangerous place in the world.
Exactly. My brain started whispering, Ollie, stay. Just 60 more minutes. You worked hard yesterday. You deserve this. I really did not want to move a muscle.
So, be honest. Are you recording this from your bed right now?
I almost did, but then I remembered what we were talking about today. I used a tiny trick. I just sat up, put one foot on the floor, then the other, and now here I am with my green tea.
Look at you! That's a huge win, Ollie. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. Self-discipline. Or to put it simply, how to be the boss of your actions when your feelings are trying to quit.
It's such a massive topic. I think everyone, literally everyone, has those lazy days where the couch feels like a magnet.
Oh, 100%. Even me. People think I'm a robot, but I have those moments too.
No way, not you, Sarah. You're always so organized and full of let's do this energy.
Trust me, Ollie, I have days where I want to stay in my pajamas until noon. But before we share our secret weapons for staying on track, we have a quick favor to ask our lovely listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying these chats and want to support us, please hit that like button right now. Think of it as a digital high five for the team. And make sure to subscribe to Fluent Vibes. We want you in our family so you never miss a conversation.
And if you know someone who's struggling to stay productive while learning English, send them this link. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you, guys. Okay, Ollie, self-discipline. It sounds a bit cold and strict, doesn't it? Like a principal at school?
Totally. It sounds like someone shouting, sit up straight and stop talking.
Exactly. But it's not that at all. It's actually a superpower. It's the art of being the CEO of your own brain.
I love that idea. I want to be the CEO, but sometimes my brain is a very lazy employee. It just wants to scroll through TikTok and eat pizza all afternoon.
My brain is the same, especially when it's time to do laundry or respond to difficult emails. I look at the mess and think, I'll deal with that on Monday. So how do we stop the Monday trap? Where do we start? Well, the golden rule is this. Start ridiculously small.
Small? Like 30 seconds small?
Almost. Have you heard of the 5-minute rule?
5 minutes? I spend more time than that choosing a movie on Netflix.
Precisely. When you have a task you're avoiding, tell yourself, I will only do this for 5 minutes. Just 5. After that, you're legally allowed to stop.
So if I have a massive, scary English grammar exercise, I just tell myself, I'll do 5 minutes?
Yes. See, the hardest part is the friction of starting. Once you break that seal, your brain usually goes, oh, okay, we're doing this. I might as well finish. Most of the time, you won't even want to stop.
That is actually what I did with my morning stretches. I told myself, Ollie, just put your yoga mat on the floor. That's all. Once I was standing on the mat, I figured, well, I'm here now. I might as well stretch for a bit.
See? You were practicing discipline without even realizing it. You tricked your brain.
I'm a genius. But Sarah, I have to tell you about my discipline fail from yesterday. It was pretty embarrassing.
Oh, do tell. I love a good fail story.
So, I decided to practice my English writing. I had my favorite pen, my nice notebook. I was focused.
Sounds like a great start.
It was great for exactly 90 seconds. Then I saw a tiny fly landing on my lamp.
A fly? Allie, come on.
It was a very interesting fly, Sarah. I started watching it. I wondered if flies have friends. I wondered how fast their wings move. Then I went on Google to research the lifespan of a housefly. An hour later, my notebook was still empty.
Ha! The distraction trap. We've all been there. The fly was definitely more entertaining than irregular verbs.
It really was. But afterward, I felt terrible. I felt like a failure. I felt like I had no willpower at all.
And that right there is a major mistake, Allie. When we slip up or get distracted by a fly, we shouldn't start attacking ourselves.
Really? I shouldn't tell myself, Ali, you're useless and lazy?
No, because when you're mean to yourself, you feel stressed and unhappy. And what does the brain do when it's unhappy? It looks for a quick fix, like sugar or social media, to feel better. It's a vicious circle.
Wow, that makes sense. So I should just say, okay, that was a weird hour of fly watching. Let's try 5 minutes of writing now.
Exactly. Be a mentor to yourself, not a bully.
I like being a kind boss. It's much less stressful. You know, I actually noticed you struggling with something this week too, Sarah. You're learning the guitar, right?
Oh, don't remind me. Yes, I am. I'm trying, at least.
So, are you playing like a rock star yet? Can you do a solo?
Not even close. My fingertips actually hurt so much from the strings. Last Tuesday, I looked at that guitar in the corner and I thought, I am too tired. My fingers hurt. And there's a new episode of that baking show on TV.
So, did the baking show win?
It won. I watched the whole thing. I didn't even touch a single string.
So, you lost your discipline for the day?
Yep, I totally failed. But the next morning, I didn't quit the guitar. I didn't say, I'm not a musical person. I just said, yesterday was a rest day, today is a practice day, and I played for 10 minutes.
That's the key. It's not about a perfect streak. It's about the recovery. It's about coming back.
Exactly. And honestly, if you're still listening to us right now, you're already winning at discipline. You chose to listen to an English podcast instead of a million other distractions.
That is so true. You guys are actually doing the work right now. Hey, Sarah, let's give them a challenge. If you're listening, I want you to go to the comments and type, I can do it.
I love that. I can do it. It's a simple, powerful command to your brain. It reminds you who is in charge.
You know, Sarah, I think there's another secret ingredient, the why.
The why? Like the reason behind the action?
Yeah, why do I want to wake up early? Why am I bothering to learn English? If the reason is weak, the discipline will be weak too.
That is a deep point, Allie. For my guitar practice, my why is that I want to play a song for my mom's birthday next month.
Oh, that's beautiful. So when you feel lazy, you can just picture her face when you start playing.
Exactly. It turns the work into a bridge to a goal. For our listeners, maybe their why is getting a promotion, moving to London, or finally understanding a movie without subtitles.
Yes, when the grammar gets boring, visualize that moment. Imagine yourself laughing with foreign friends or nailing an interview. That gives you a surge of discipline fuel.
I definitely need that fuel when I look at phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are my fly on the lamp. I want to run away.
Don't run, Sarah. Use the 5-minute rule. 5 minutes of phrasal verbs won't kill you.
You're right. I can do 5 minutes. Another thing that really helps me is my environment.
Your environment? You mean like the weather?
No, I mean my physical space. If I want to stop eating junk food, but I have a bowl of chocolate sitting on my desk, what's going to happen?
Well, I know for a fact that chocolate will be gone in 3 minutes.
Exactly. My willpower isn't strong enough to fight a chocolate bar for 8 hours. So I put the chocolate in a high cabinet in the kitchen and put a bottle of water on my desk.
Ah, so you make the good habit the easiest choice.
Exactly. It's a trick. If you want to study English before bed, put your textbook right on your pillow in the morning. When you go to bed tired, you'll see it and think, okay, fine, just 5 minutes.
That's brilliant. I'm going to put my running shoes right in the middle of the hallway. I'll have to trip over them to get to the kitchen.
Perfect. It's hard to ignore a goal when it's literally touching your feet.
Exactly. Oh, hello, sneakers. I guess we're going for a walk.
That's the spirit. You know, Allie, sometimes self-discipline is actually about being mean to other people in a nice way.
Oh, I'm terrible at that. I'm a yes man. I love my friends too much.
I get it, but if a friend calls and says, Allie, let's play video games for 4 hours, and you know you have a deadline, what do you usually do?
I usually say, give me 5 minutes to grab a snack. And then I stay up until 3 a.m. working. Then I'm a grumpy zombie the next day.
See, that's not being a good friend to yourself. Discipline is saying, I'd love to play, but I need to finish this first. Can we hop online at 9 p.m. instead?
That sounds so much more professional. It's not no forever, it's just not right now.
Exactly. You're the guardian of your own time.
I feel like I'm wearing armor now, Sarah. I'm ready to fight the laziness.
You've got this. And remember, it's a muscle. The first time you use discipline, it feels heavy. The 10th time, it's lighter. After a year, you're a heavyweight champion of your own life.
I want to be the conversation champion. My power will be speaking clearly and not getting distracted by insects.
You're getting better every day. But don't forget the most important parts. Even champions need to sleep.
Oh, thank goodness. I thought you were going to tell me to work 24/7.
Never. Rest is a part of discipline. If you're exhausted, your brain will naturally choose the easiest, laziest path. A tired brain has no defense.
So if I go to bed at a decent hour, I'm actually being disciplined?
Yes, choosing sleep over one more episode of a show is one of the highest forms of self-discipline.
I'm going to be so disciplined tonight. I'm going to sleep so hard.
Great plan. We've covered a lot today, haven't we?
My brain is buzzing. This was so helpful. Let's do a quick recap for everyone listening.
I'll go first. Number 1, the 5-minute rule. Just start. You can do anything for 5 minutes.
Number 2, be a kind boss. If you fail, don't beat yourself up. Just reset and try again. Rest in peace, fly.
Number 3, find your why. Connect your work to your dream.
Number 4, hack your environment. Make the good stuff easy to see and the distractions hard to reach. Hide those cookies.
And finally, number 5, protect your time. It's okay to say not now so you can reach your goals. And please get some sleep.
You've got a better memory than me, Sarah. See, your discipline is already working. I feel stronger already. I really hope you guys at home feel that shift too.
I believe they do. It's all about those tiny, consistent steps. 1 sentence, 1 minute, 1 day at a time.
Well, Sarah, I think that's our time. I actually have to go wash my car now. I've been avoiding it for weeks, but I'm going to go do it for 5 minutes.
Go for it, Allie. Let us know if you finish the whole car.
I will. And to everyone listening, thank you for letting us be part of your day. We truly love this community.
We really do. Don't forget to drop that comment, I can do it. We read every single one. And if you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and share this with one person who needs a little motivation today. Let's keep the vibes positive.
Until next time, stay focused, stay kind to yourself, and keep practicing.
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye, everyone.